Namaste, myself Dr. Pushpa Kumar, Assistant Professor in the Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathy Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today's the topic is Principles of Medication. Let's start the topic. Medication or impregation is a technique which consists of fixing of homeopathic liquid attenuation or a matrix, pellets, globules, tablets, or lactose. In the globules. Globules are also called the pileates and fluids. They are made of pure sucrose, lactose or other appropriate polysaccharides. They are formed into small globular mass in different sizes designated according to the diameter of 10 globules measured in millimeter. Standard size of globules are 10, 20, 35, 50. 55. Globules made of lactose will absorb alcoholic dilution containing much larger percentage of water than those made of sucrose. Some characteristic of ideal globules is they should be made of purest raw material. They should be perfectly white in color. They should be odorless. They should be able to withstand all the tests prescribed for the sucrose and lactose. Globules are medicated by the placing them in a vial and adding the liquid potency in the proportion not less than 1%. Volume by weight of and shaking to obtain a form of medication. The medicated globules are dried if the temperature not more than 40 degrees Celsius. In medicating sucrose globules, care should be exercised not to use dilution having an alcohol strength less than 70% or that dispensing alcohol. The labeling of medicated globules should be marked with the degree of strength and liquid used in their preparation. Tablets. Tablets may be produced according to two approved methods. These methods include preparation of triturated tablets and compressed tablets. What is the tablet triturated? Tablet triturated are defined as a tablet produced from moist material or on a triturated mold, which gives them the shape of cut sections of a cylindrical. Such tablets must be completely and rapidly soluble. Automated method, including the Colton method, have been developed and are acceptable. Methods. Tablets triturated are produced according to a four steps like all the appropriate modification have been accepted. These steps are preparation of trituration according to the method prescribed in the Homeopathy Pharmacopoeia of United States. Addition of binder as a binder as necessary generally as accepted ratio of the binding solution is 1 part of 15 part of triturated material with varieties accepted. Molding of the tablet by hand or with the appropriate automated equipment. Drying of the molded tablets by introducing them into a dehumidified area by reducing relative humidity of that area 35 to 40% with the respect of ambient humidity at the thermostatically controlled 70 to 150 Fahrenheit. Compressed tablets. Compressed tablets are the tablets formed by compression of a dry material. They contain no special coating. They are compressed from powder or crystalline solid. As with the tablet, triturated may contain binders. In this tablets, the binders are not present. Methods of the triturated tablets. Compressed tablets are the produced according to 6 steps with the appropriate modification accepted. First step is the production of the necessary trituration according to technique it given in the Homeopathy Pharmacopoeia of United States. The preparation is the appropriate liquid attenuation and the appropriate liquid media, that is water or ethanol. If binder are necessary, they may be added. Now granulate the moisture material with the appropriate matched screen. The weight granulation is then introduced into a demodified area. The dried granulation is then regranulated through the appropriate mesh screen and the necessary lubricant are added. The mixture is then the compressed and rotatory tablet compressor or any other similar apparatus to desired tablet size. Medicated tablet. Medicated tablet may be produce the medication of inner tablets with one or more liquid drug attenuation. Inner tablet, compressed tablet may be a dilute such as lactose or sucrose or a mixture of lactose or sucrose to which is added. If necessary, a binder or lubricate. Inner tablets are medicated by the placing them in a appropriate container, adding the liquid attenuation of the proportion of 2%. Volume by weight of educating obtain a uniform medication. Medicated powder. Medicated powder are the prepared by the adding to 200 parts of the weight of lactose to 1 part by volume of desired strength of liquid drug attenuation. Mixing the same in a mortar with a spatula, then the triturating with a pestle until fully dry. The resulting powder should be labeled with a degree of strength of a liquid attenuation used in the preparation. And forms of the vehicle for dispensing. Other condition of homeopathy pharmacy should be governed by the simplicity and usefulness of physician and patient. In other respect of forms and shape of vehicle are no importance and may be varied the suit, taste and convenience only. For this purpose, pharmacists have employed certain forms made of sucrose and lactose. This may be used simply as a medicated powder or the pillates. Liquid attenuation of the parenteral administration shall be prepared according to appropriate specification of the current pharmacopoeia of United States. They must be peer the federal reason must be rendered sterile according to section 16. Hope you all understand this topic. Namaste.